In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add internship to LinkedIn profile. We'll walk through the exact clicks on LinkedIn and I'll share quick tips so your experience looks polished and professional. Start on your LinkedIn feed. In the top navigation, open the Me menu, then choose View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page. Near the top, select Add Profile section. In the panel that opens, look under the Core category and choose Add Position. This is where internships live in the experience area of your profile. In the title field, type Internship Trainee. When LinkedIn suggests that title, click it to keep formatting consistent across profiles and improve searchability. Next, move to the Employment Type field. Begin typing to search, then select the most accurate option, such as internship. Choosing the right type helps recruiters filter correctly. Enter the company or organization name. If the official company page appears in the drop-down, select it so the company logo shows on your profile. This small detail increases credibility and visual appeal. Continue to the date fields and set the month and year for when the internship started and, if applicable, when it ended. Accurate dates help your profile tell a clear chronological story. Add the location for the role. Then choose the location type that reflects how you worked, such as on-site, hybrid, or remote. This informs viewers about your work environment and availability. In the description box, write a concise summary of what you did and what you accomplished. Focus on impact. Mention tools, projects, and measurable outcomes where possible. Keep it clear and scannable so hiring managers can quickly grasp your strengths. Use Add skill to attach relevant skills to this position. Pick skills you actively used during the internship. They boost your profile's keyword coverage and can improve how you appear in searches. If you have artifacts to showcase, open the media section and click Add Media. You can attach items like a public project link, a presentation, or a certificate. Only add materials you have the rights to share and that do not contain confidential information. When everything looks good, click Save. LinkedIn may then prompt you to share an update about this new experience. If you want it visible in your network's feed, choose Post Now. After saving, scroll to your experience section to confirm the internship appears correctly. That's it. Your internship is now added to your LinkedIn profile. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials.